idiot. Never too late. Yo, mic check. Yo, chat, now hear me loud and clear. Loud and clear. Bro, me are kinda late. What time? Almost 8:30, bro. Hold on. Yo, nah, see my screen. My screen now share. Hold on there. Feeler. Yo, that's my screen chat. Alright, chat. Let me see if we have a news today. Let me see if we have news. Sealer. Bro, we have news today. FOMC meeting. That at 2 p.m. though. I don't know, chat. I'm probably go live the FOMC meeting 2 p.m. I'm probably trade that part. I'm probably go live by IG. I don't know. Cause when I go there, when I go stream for 2 p.m. by 11 o'clock, I usually end stream. By 11 o'clock, if I'm not getting a trade, I usually call it by 11 o'clock. But I don't know, I'm probably gonna start up a stream like 1:30 then time there so we can trade. This. Can trade a news at 2 p.m. Or I'm just gonna trade up on IG live. I don't know. I'm just not go live then at all. It depends how I feel later, chat. I will go on today. So anyways, let me see if we have the news 8:30. Maybe I look. Yeah, we have trade balance 8:30. And second time I see that, you know. Alright, chat, so I just jump straight in our analysis. You see me? We usually start from the monthly time frame as I do every day. We don't mark up now, nothing, just like look at the monthly time frame to see what monthly candle do. And then we usually drop down to like from the monthly to like the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Straight down to a 5 minute. You see me? We got what 2 days and 9 hours left. Weekly can go flip. And the daily open up. So they print a high. This is a when? This is a 14. They print a high at 42, 43. Wonder if this could be a lower high, chat. This right also. I wonder if this could be a lower high for the daily can go flip. I'm not sure still. I would probably gonna need to push up towards so 41.60. I'm not sure still. Well, I look like more like you can go and start print. You go see what price I do still. So it's like I go just like guess the direction. My wave of price actually print and close below the range. Where I can go, we got what 30 minutes left. We're bearish. This can go basically range chat. The most that way can go to feel like so 180 pip can go. This can go basically just range. You see me? We're not doing nothing in this entire 4 can go. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright chat, so as I'm saying, I just usually start by looking at the time frame, them see what price a move, see if we are print structure up. As you can see, we have some higher lows on the way up. We close above, candle start for struggle, 4 candle start for range. We're probably going to need liquidity. You see me try, let me see, a daily candle, and remember I said on the daily time frame, this could be a higher high. Not a higher high, a higher low. Wonder if this is a higher low for flip back the daily candle now push down and fill the previous daily candle week. No, no. But we have bro. The news are probably gonna move price up. Be a movements are gonna go into move the news probably are gonna move price a lot. So by later on in the day I go like get a clear understanding of when price start move. But yeah, child, that's some look funny, you see me? 30 minutes, we got 2 minutes left. Look like we get a closure below the range. This 4 I can go got what 32 minutes left. I still would look for the sales for this 30-minute candle closure below the range, cause we probably need a top wick in order to go down to as well, chat. You see me? This 30-minute candle, basically this is what I mean. I'm just show you. Like for example, so we close below the range, cause we have a level right here, so if we close below, we probably gonna need a top wick anyways, like something for break the highs, sealer. Something for break the highs, like so. Here's my chat. Probably gonna need this, so it's like that's why I'm not taking the sales just yet. The closer I get to like the what you call it? Closer I get to the 4 I can go close, then we can say yeah, we can start look for sales. But for right now, it's 4 I can still flip bullish, re-break its highs, and then fall back into the range. So wait and see what price do. Today a Wednesday, you know. You know what I'm saying? I notice say I even want to call it chat, but I notice say you see every Wednesday. Sealer. You see every Wednesday chat. Me usually go in a drawdown. Bro, since I start journal, bro, amount of things I start realize. The biggest drawdown them chat up on Wednesday. Wednesday I like a worst day a week for me. But me still trade every Wednesday though, you see me? Just make sure I follow the plan. Execute. Win, lose or draw, it don't really matter. But like, I can just say like, it stats them, like when I look at my journal, it stats show say yo, on Wednesday me usually have drawdown. No, I was with Wednesday. Let's see if we can break that chat. Let's see if today we can get a no drawdown trade. And break the Wednesday drawdown trend. Wednesday drawdown trend, oh, you know. I have to go break that, bro. And I like some lose, you know. Cause, last week Wednesday I never lose. But I get drawdown though. It was 50 pips drawdown. 54 pips drawdown. But we still make 26 pips off our trade though, but there's something I noticed, chat. But yeah, that the analysis. We're not done. The more price print and the more I keep on break down the moves them chat. But for right now, as I'm gonna say, we are gonna wait cause this hourly candle can still flip bullish. This 30-minute candle indeed we close bearish. We never close bearish below. We close bearish respecting. Yeah, I guess when next candle start, we start push back into the range. So yeah, chat, that's expected. So I just continue wait. I make this smaller. I make this so big. Hold on. That's why I may dry thing then just look weird. Remember, I'm telling you in the chat, this 4 I can go might need to re-break its highs before it fall back down. Like for example, so like oh, we open up wrong one. I will try see that price open up, we push down first. I think we push up first. Anyway, try it really matter, but so price basically on the chat we print a high, then we start for reject, we flip back bearish sealer. Move that. We start for reject, this can go flip back bearish. Start flip back bearish, now we start for push back up. So it's all me I say my price might need to re-break its highs. Like this current 4 I can go highs You might say this candle push bullish, rebreak its highs. After that, we get like a closure back into range. You see me? Any closure back into the range check, you know sales will be good. If we go down towards the range fill. You see me? So yeah, something like that may wait man. Or if not, if this 4 candle don't do it, would have then say if the next 4 candle can open up and rebreak the previous 4 candle high. You see me? If this candle can rebreak its highs and it's staying at the range, would have wait, say if the next 4 candle can open up, push up first, rebreak the previous 4 candle high, and then once it flip back bearish, we could have look for sales going down towards the wick fill. You see me chat? Could I do that? You see right, so that be like the bottom of my range. And once the candle flip, we could have look for take sales pan the candle flip after we grab liquidity. But yeah, we have that high players level we have. You see me? We just want to see how price spring. And bear in mind, it might change. Ideas might change, but for right now, that are ideas what we are work with. I'm play about this. If we don't get nothing by level chat, then we just forward my end stream and forward back 2 o'clock and trade the news. And yesterday my stream get copyright again, bro. Probably up on my last strike now. You are delete it. Hold on. Bro, just forward, dog. I'm telling you forward, but I'm a mock, bro. You're not serious. Who can this my dog and survive? Make dark and feel glad no rise. Telling them without polite. Can his for a kangaroo break his highs though? I could have 10 of them. Right from a fire from my brother them. Chat, what you usually do when you wait for trades? When you just stare at the chat? Or you listen music? Like, what you do when you not wait for entries? Hold on, let me have forward. Give me like 2 seconds. Bro, every time this just always up top dog in me a stream. Imagine prices range wala NY, bro. But I expect some movement still, chat. You see me? Even if we are getting a trade by 2 o'clock in market, because we have news 2 o'clock. So I expect some movements. But right now, prices are range. I'll just play some music. We'll have vibe. My day has ever set a legacy like never before. Chat, just wait till me start the vlogging thing, chat. That gonna be mad, bro, I swear. Straight to my star vlog. I think me I gotta do no prank though. I do no prank. Joke thing that, bro. I just do so like some, I don't know. I do like some like outdoor vlogs. Like I'm go some places. Do some mad challenge sealer and real job. I probably could have like probably we don't know how I stutter. Probably could have add like trading recaps in our vlog. So me keep it content trading related. Cause through my channel niche a certain type of way. Me know more I just post a regular vlog on it, you see me? And vlog more I do that. I make it trading related. So it that make sense. I could have taken them. Yeah, if I go fire from them. Them are done. I can't even play the music thing, the chat car, bro. A 2 time I try and my stream get copyright charge. I only have 2 stream copyright back to back. Now play that again. I know me can't find the playlist when I copyrighted. Oh, finally I push up. Just I realized that, you know. Never did I say that. So for right now, when I rebreak the highs I'm gonna look. Where I can gonna rebreak its highs at, or well it can go flip bullish print in a new high. So your chat that look decent, man, I gonna lie. Someone see if this 4 candle can manage to rebreak its highs, as I said earlier in the analysis. Once it rebreak the highs and if it close back below, then that would have been good. Or even if it rebreak the highs, let's say if we rebreak the highs and we continue to push up and we close above, we'll just wait for another lower high. And everything look good so far. Expect, yeah, that good. It's 5-minute candle now in a week. But the good still like 5-minute time frame that. No, it's 30-minute, it's 15-minute now in a week either. So you chat this 15-minute candle gonna need for print a week. So we're gonna flip bearish at some point. But more than mind if we could have rebreak the 4 candle highs before we flip bearish, that would have been ideal. Course. Course of it bearish without breaking the highs. Make sure everybody this never end. Sealer. No time for it whenever you break sponsor. W analysis. Yo, respect, bro. I just say that, at least you understand. That's the most important thing, isn't it? That I'm driving turn every day, like, see, idea behind I trade chart. That's the most important thing, bro. If you take a trade, you make money, but you don't understand, like, the idea behind it. It's like a joke thing that. And make sure, like, you understand, like, the idea behind it so you can replicate it and make more money. Yes, I mean. I feel like me all get sick, bro. Use it on. Can go flip and it can go high. Child, something me I look on. No, I see like. Or the range going down though. Towards a weak fill, that's like a 80 pip range. Makes sense. Makes sense. We never re-break the high, but push up towards 41.17. Got 6 minutes left. So can we get a closure below the range? If we get a closure below the range, get another high, then we could have just would have adjust. I still got range going down, chat. Remember I say yo, me expect this 4 I can go for re-break size, but if this was it, this alpha like the 30, if this was it, cause I see this 30 me can go print a high at 41.17.97. If this was it, then would I adjust, but what would I wait for first is like this can go close below the range, get another top wick, and that would have been the next 4 I can go highs as well, cause this current 4 I can go going close in 5 minutes. So once this close, next 4 I can go print a high. We could even look for sales after the next 4 I can go. In the next 5 minutes, chat. We'll see. Make sure range going down. It's our that's like 70. Yeah, chat. So that would have be if that will happen, then we have to take sales, you see me? And for the buys them, what I need is a range 2 breakout. Like me not look for no buys off of the 4 I can go high. And don't let me a stutter, bro, just bear with me. I don't feel buys off 4 I can go highs, as in my chat, cause if price to push back up, I will re-break the 4 I can go highs, right? So more than wait for a range 2 breakout. So price break range 1, push back down. Once price start to push back up again, break out a range 2, then more look for buys. Here's in my chat. I look for buys from above here, so go up towards the next resistance. Say I call this range 2 and this will be range 1. So we have the re-break of the highs. As I say, chat, because I'm not looking for range 1 buys, you see me? But if he sells them kind of different though. If price can push up, re-break the highs, we have to take sales in this range. Let's see what I go and check. We close. Even did I realize. Yeah. Our leg can go close, chat. We close bearish respecting whenever close. Let me measure this by the way. The range going down is like 18 pip range. Yeah, we close bearish respecting, so we still can look for sales in a chat, but I want to say a top week. We can push up break the highs, that would be decent, bro. If we push down first, chat, and break the lows, top like, yeah, if we push down first, break the previous candle low and we top 4097.60, push back up, we start to get closures back above 41, then we'll look for buys going up towards, let me show you. So push down, we top, let me see which level that again. Oh, 96. So push down with top 96. Price push back up. But I look for buys once price close back above the range. You see me? I look for buys for go up towards 41. Yeah, chat. So I'm at about this only can go to, you know. So it's like we have ideas for if this can go push up first, break the highs, we could have put sales going down. And if we push down first and we break the lows, we look for sales going up. We look for buys going up towards 41. Buys from above 41.20 go up towards 41.91. So that's the levels that you see me have on my screenshot. So it's like we have both idea for buys and sells. We just want the price start print. We need for break the highs or break the lows so we can get some volume in that market. But yeah, chat, hopefully you understand like the idea. You see me? I don't feel like that hard though. Simple thing. We're range right now. We're going to need liquidity. You see my chat? So once price break the highs or break the lows, whichever one you want to do first. Once we break the highs or the lows and grab liquidity, then we'll wait for see which direction we push, you know. And then we look for a trade. Hopefully we get what I'm trying to say. So if we push up first, break the highs, get back closures back into the range. Is my chart. Then we could look for sales anywhere below Yasa after we break the highs first. Or if we push down, break the lows, vice versa, we look for buys above 19 for go up towards 41. Simple thing. And chat, as I'm say, we have news 2 o'clock. You see me say, even if we don't get nothing, we usually end stream 11 o'clock. So if we don't get nothing, I just end stream and fall back about 1:30 then time there. Because we have FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. So goal I go move. They're in full that they're supposed to move price a lot. See you later. But I usually trade the news during a chat. It's like my wait for the news can go spike. Whether I spike up or down. And then I take advantage of the leftover volume when news bring. I really trade the news spike itself. Bro, my two most recent stream then get copyright, bro. I'ma try to play rap music on the stream. And copyright my things, so that's why. So I just lame music I chat. Cause this is all the thing when I copyright so far. I just get some time though and then play back some more music. I chew me now and then take on my channel after. That's why. Breaking lows, nice. Yes, we have it's like 5 minute time frame by the way. Only can go flip back to. If we get a little steeper high than this chat, that would have be decent. Like, you see which part is for I can go high there? More want it just a little bit steeper than this. Either we break 19 levels or break these highs, or we at least push up towards the structure we see we have right, so. But yeah, our 19 at least. Once we break the highs close back into the range, that would have be ideal. It's a bug one. Alright. How's this move down? 100 pips. Bro, even though goal and range is massive still, you know. 5 minute can go range is 118 pips. So if I trade within the range would be a good chat, but first we need to see like a break at the highs. Break at the highs or a break at the lows, any one of them. What time? 9:09. Let me see something. When was the last time? Bro, so from forward, it's like from a start stream back again, I'll know when I get a trade 8 o'clock. Remember like when we first start off streaming, used to get trade 8 o'clock. See one trade at 8:30, 8:35, 8:31, 8:31 we get a trade 8:51. I say you know times change chat. Even right so 8:27, 8:46, 8:30, 8:55. But nowadays it trades them when I take at 9 o'clock and beyond. Now you see like at 8 o'clock trade. So it's like, I don't know, by 9:30 then time there, we should be able to get some volume in our market because that's gonna be COMEX open. And we have a red full at 2 o'clock. So we're good. No goal I gonna move today, just one range run. It's just a range right now. Yo chat, give me like 1 second, me forward. price they even flip where push up for rebreak the highs. So that's good. If we rebreak the current highs, we should be able to print a steeper high. So that's good. It's hourly candle basically open up. Sealer. Let me remove this. Yeah, we open up. I think we push up first, print a high, and then we forward back close. We forward close to it, flip, and now we are push back up for rebreak the highs again. So you see, if we rebreak this high chart, price should be able to print a steeper high, just like what I do right now. So that's the idea behind most of my entries them, you see me? Because if you're looking at my journal, you can see some of my entries them when I take a rebreak a highs, entry type, rebreak a high, rebreak a high. And sometimes I take rebreak at the lows, sometimes I take quick entry, but you see the rebreak at the highest chart, that's basically the idea behind it. When price usually rebreak is high, basically we are break out a resistance, so we should be able to print like a new high. But this I think though, I know every rebreak at the highs we take, just like I'm gonna take this one here, because we have resistance and the way up. We don't have clean range for go up. See, that's the idea behind my entries them. Whenever you see me enter trade and like the rebreak at the high, I'm put buy stuff on the rebreak at the highs. That's it. It basically price basically a breakout of resistance. You see me? Just want to understand that. Take off that. So if this hourly candle chart, as I'm saying, if we open up, or not only this hourly candle, any candle at all, I say you can read them. You see me? The higher time frame is like whenever the higher time frame them open up, if we range, and you see something like this, price push down and break the lows, then we start to push up, we print like a high right, so we reject, and you see me put buy stop on the rebreak at the high. This is just like a break at the resistance chart, and once we break resistance, we should be able to push up. Like once we break resistance level, we should be able to push up towards the next resistance. So yeah, anytime when you see me take a trade like that, just know say basically that like the idea behind that they can go moving. Cause look, obviously I'm not gonna see it on this hourly candle, you know. It's hourly candle now gonna show that when I just draw out, because it's at the hourly time frame. In order to see that, you have to drop down to the 5 minute. You see it right here, so I basically read like the 5 minute time frame by only looking at the hourly by looking at the hourly. It's in my chat, so you have to like think of it, what you call it, re-engineer candles. Think of that you call it. But yeah, basically mean like look on the 4-hour candle. You can look on the 4-hour candle and tell what the hourly time frame I do. Same thing, look on the hourly and tell what the 30 minute I do, without even look on the 30 minute. So basically use all of my time frame them to make sure everything align. You see me? Just like how this hourly can go reject, I'ma drop down to 5 minute, and you see it right so. This right so this high low right so. This are the hourly can go open right so. Hourly can go open up, we push up, we reject, and then we push back up and we break the highs. Textbook play chart. It's like my strategy not hard, you know. But it take time for learn though. I remember when I just learning, it's like it is so like a Spanish to me when my mentor I try to teach me. But it's like you say, if I just show up every day, you're gonna learn it, because I same thing I do every single day. 3 different type of market cycle chat. May have couple players, but it's like it's easy to limit your players them once you understand the type of market cycle in a. So one of them a range shot, one of them a range, and price just go up and down. You see me? So in a range cycle, me usually have like 2 players what me usually take. And if I forward by the market, you see like we in a like a drive phase where price just push straight up, me automatically have like limit myself to like only 2 more players when I have for like whenever price in a drive phase. You see me? So yeah, bro. So you have consolidation, you have continuation, and I think you have manipulation. Whenever price is something like this, aka liquidity chat. Um, yeah, price would have fall down, break the lows, and then just push straight back up. This is our next market cycle. So liquidity, continuation, consolidation. So basically, when I fall down on the chart, you basically first thing we do, I identify what type of day it is. You see me? So right now, I say just by looking at this 4 hour, it look like we in a uptrend. We in a uptrend right now. You see me? Daily time frame bullish. But if you look on like the daily candle structure, like how the daily candle structure look, in our analysis earlier, I wonder if we could have print a lower high on this daily candle. So if this daily candle go print a lower high and flip bearish chart, where that high, I ask myself where would I expect that high would I be at? And if you look left, we have levels over here, so at 41. You see me 40, 41. Where price was able to tap in our pass and we reject. So yeah, if this daily candle can manage to push up towards 41, that could be the highs. It could be the high for the daily candle, and the daily candle could just start reject from far. You know why I stutter, bro? The daily candle could just start reject from 41, go straight down towards the daily candle flip. And if that will happen, don't be surprised, cause all that would have be, this would have just be a lower highs, right? So, and once we get any type of closure back below, if this daily candle flip, we should be able to go down towards the wick fill minimum. So yeah, chat. That idea we have, but I just put everything combined. That's why I'm say, if we print structure, we could look for buys go up towards 41, because this would be the resistance level we would expect. If we look for sales going down, we could look for sales go down within the range. You see me? So it's like, I just put all that seal, I just put everything in a one. Use all that time frame them and come up with an idea. Based off of how they can get them a print and market structure. You see my chat? We rebreak the highs, nice. At least we top 19. At least. Remember I said we need to top 19 minimum chat. 41, 19. So we push up and we tap. So can this candle flip? This candle, we push up and we tap. If we did rebreak the highs, that would be ideal. You see me? Rebreak the highs are right, so. But we tap though. That good we tap. But what would I do? Would I add like a second confirmation chat, since we never like rebreak the highs, we tap 19 and we start for reject. Would I add a second confirmation? Would take no sales when you can go flip. Well, let me use the other one. I would take no sales when you can go flip chat, because this high, I'm not really 100% sure about this high. We're just print on the current candle, the current 30-minute. So what I do, I wait and see if this candle can actually flip bearish and close below. See if it flip bearish and close below, like yes, I try. Then I start look for sales. You see me? So we avoid the candle flip. Because if this is not enough, this candle should be able to flip bearish, flip back bullish, and close bullish back above your range. I can see it for yourself, chat, if you don't understand. We also got 8 minutes left, you see me? That's enough time for this candle flip bearish, flip bullish, and close back bullish above the range. So we are just, yeah. We'll find them there. And chat, I soon mark up my charts, you see me? Because right now my chart mark up, you know, but none of the levels, yeah, and none of buyers or sells chat. It's like when Mega Tech sells, if everything fail up on Mega Tech sells, you gonna see me do something like this. You see me put a level there, so that say who that tech sells, say who that enter sells, right? So if price did re-break the highest chat, would look for sales pan, you can go flip. You see me? Go down towards 99, 40, 99. We are in our sales right now if we did re-break the highs. But we never re-break the highs, so I add a second confirmation, an extra confirmation to it. You see me? But yeah, anytime I take a position, I say I go see my chart look with the yellow line here. Or anytime we close. But for right now, my chart's not really mark up. See, we're going. Right now, my chart's not really mark up, chat. I just have a few levels. Just them 3 yellow line here. But yeah, when I go enter a trade, or when we're close to enter a trade, I use the other yellow line to identify the ranges where I look to take advantage of. So I have a better understanding. But I don't like when too much lines up on my chart. That's why I'm gonna put them there yet. Just like when the chart look refreshing, if that makes sense. Five minutes left until 9:30 chat. Should be able to get some volume at 9:30. Cause that'll be comics open, and sometime even though it open 9:30, sometime the volume forward in 9:32, 9:31. So I just wait for that. So we print a high chat with top well my top say we top 91 cause yeah we fall close. Can basically call it a top. We fall like 1 pip away. No, 5 pips away. So it's like we fall close, you see me? But can't go start for reject, and as I'm say, we're gonna wait. A second extra confirmation, because this can gonna close the chat. So once we get a closure below the range, then we can say yeah, so me start mark up my levels them for ourselves. I still wait for another top week. But we're not getting no closures yet. We still got 2 minutes left. This can still flip bullish and close bullish in the range. That's my chat. So I'm gonna make sure we wait and see how it closes. Let me see what price peak. If we look for take sales on a flip, what price peak? That was like 38. Not bad. Oh, it's a 38 pip push. You notice the volume kind of start pick up, you know. But yeah, chat. Active, fully active, my bro. We there put in the work though. We got 20 seconds until we get a closure. Look like we get a bearish candle closure below the range, and if that may happen, price print another top week. Next closest resistance would be at 4103.57, and the range going down is at 30 pip range, so that not bad. Alright, so I put one level there, so that at the support, put one level yes sir. Can go fill the range already, so that already invalid. But what me like I said though, once we get a top week chart, we would look for sales, and they can go flip. You see me? Cause we would look for sales right away. This can go, if it did print a top week first, retest their levels, yeah, that would have been decent, and then flip bearish. Would look for tech sales, but it can go flip, go down towards this range fill, cause it's the next closest like support. That would be a 30 pip range, but it can go open up and just pop straight down. So all of that invalid. I just continue to wait. Move them. Move everything. Yeah, mic low. Mic low, let me try to turn it up. Yeah, hear me now? Alright, that's too loud. Hold on. You must hear me now. Boy, chat, so yeah, you notice our price basically top, and then we start to reject. So that's like, that's how I get my levels them. You see me? I trade range to range. For the enter sales right so, yeah, that want to ask yourself where the next closest. Yeah, we good? Yeah, that want to ask yourself where the next closest support, where price I go struggle at, and price will struggle right so. And that will basically price the price push down and then flip back bullish. So that's how I get my levels them chat. Even though we not get not, we never enter, the levels them still make sense. You notice how price react. But yeah, respect for point that out, bro. Even they know some might low. Or I mean that's a talk low. Nah, nothing to follow out though. We have news at 10, but that's just a yellow phone that nothing major, so we're good. We're good until 2 o'clock. We have a red phone that followed out 2 o'clock. So me do want to see happen first. Try to see if we did push up and tap this level first. Then woulda put sell stop and you can go flip. But we fill the range first and then we push up tap the level. GG's. Yeah, bro. Bro, last week, dog. Not only last week, bro. Even the week before that. At 3 weeks now, I'm gonna lose a trade, bro. This I when? This I 27. That is a Monday. Last month. I take 6 trades for a week, winning 6 of them, bro. A week after that, this I when? It 3. November, 3rd of November. I take 5 trade, I'm win 3 of them, 2 of them break even. And then a week after that, the first stream, we never take a trade. That was a no trade day. And then we win 4 trades in a row. And then a week after that, that is 17. That is a Monday. So far, I win 2 trades, 1 break even. Hey dog, I tell you, bro, goal I did my good, dog. And bear in mind, all of them trades I take live per stream. Can just go back in our stream and watch all of them. None of them are watch all I stream them if you don't believe me, bro. Cause when my journal, it's like I take a trade per stream and then my journal a trade per stream. Me even end stream, I do everything per stream, bro. Right, tell you, dog. I win March 2024. I'm sure you, bro. It's still nothing new, you know. This is my journal from 2024. I'm sure you, dog. Yeah. Probably January 1st. No, not the 1st. January 17, 2024, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. That's a strategy, dog. A strategy have a higher win rate. My win rate at 80%. But I trade a negative risk to reward though. That's a fact. Well, I'm lucky now, so what price I do. Enough for that. So break. Well, whenever I break the previous candle lows, we forward close. But if you look left, we also levels to the left where price I reject from. Boom, put one line there. So if you look left, look right also. So we have this right here, so price tap this level, reject, and push up towards 41. We have like levels right here, so price tap and we reject and push up towards 41. So let me see. It buys them going up. If we can get a closure above the range, we could have probably look for buys go up towards 41. If we get entry confirmation, so I'm gonna put one line right here, so put a line right here, so 41.27. I'm gonna wait for a closure above that. Let me see, from the rebreak of the highs, go up towards 27. That's like a 80 pip range. So a rebreak of the highs would even make more sense. So I'll put this line down towards the rebreak of the highs. But would still need a closure above some. Hold on, chat. I like 20. Adjust this up some more. Put this down here, so. And if we forget buys above 23, chat, anything above 23, the next closest resistance, I'm gonna say it with the right here, so 28, 41, 28.82. Because we have this to the left, chat. We have this to the left. See all of them highs here, we have this right here, so. We have this right here, so. I'll probably have some more if I go left further, but hold on. I'm just put one line right here, so for right now. I just want to show how I get the levels them. I just want to mark up the charts and I don't even understand why I'm put the line right there. So you see me? So yeah, from the rebreak of the highs, price to push up towards the rebreak of the highs, we get a closure above range 2, we could look for buys going up towards 29. That would be idea for buys in chat. And we can adjust this up some more. Hold on. Yeah, that good way there. So yeah, chat, if we for rebreak the highs, get like a closure above, that would be good. Reason why I may put it on a rebreak at the highs, chat, because that's like a we would know a breakout at the range into a new range. Price to push up and we rebreak the previous 4 candle highs, would I know into a new range, and not only like a rebreak at the highs, but I wait for a closure above. This candle go close in a 6 minutes. You see me? So if it did just continue push up, would I just wait like an extra 4 minutes or that probably left. Would I wait for a closure above the range, you see me? If that will happen, next can go open up, push down first, top 19 or even break 19. That if we put buy stop and it can go flip. Or if it can go print a high first, when I put the buy stop and it can go rebreak at the highs. Get a bullish closure above the range, alright? We also close bullish above, right? So we barely close above though. Still away. This 5-minute candle, would I expect if it can manage to print a low, flip back bullish, push up towards 19, that would be decent. See, my phone dead. Hold on, my phone chat. Dealer. We're going. We have like 3 minutes left, chat. 3 minutes. So let me see if this 15 I got actually close bullish above the range, bro. Let me see something. If we get a bullish closure in the mid-line range, buys going up towards the top of the range would be 50 pips. And that would be a trade within the range. Hourly candle. Not hourly, 30-minute candle still got 18. Still got 18 minutes left. Probably that I only issue. Yeah. That wouldn't make no sense. Or if we know it wouldn't make no sense, cause chat when me a pre-chat, a buys above like say yo this 15-minute candle closing at the middle of the range, which they said probably I go close most likely in a middle of the range somewhere right so where you see me have the yellow line here. If that will happen, you can basically expect the next candle to do something like this. Open up, push down first. If you manage to push down and flip bullish, we could forward up towards the range fill, and then the candle that look like this. So basically, I say, yo, if we take buys, if the candle closing at the middle of the range, and we take buys, could I look for buys go up towards the next closest resistance, which would be right so. And that would be a 40 pip range. That me did a pre just now. No, not 40, that would be a 30 pip range. But this I think though, I just this hourly candle. Last 15 minutes of the hourly candle likely for reject. But you know, I just wait and see chat. That's what I'm doing. I'm not sure. I just wait and see. And some basically trade, you know. I'm not trade with like me think price I go. Me wait for like price actually make it move, and then me jump. Then me jump in and I move. This what I mean by that. I'm sure. So price I go up. So price I range. You see me? And price do something like this and break out to the range and grab liquidity. Me not usually look for a sales right, yeah, so just because I would assume price I go, just because I assume this would be liquidity and price I go close back in the range. Me not do that. What I do, I wait till price actually grab liquidity and close back in the range, and then me take sales. You see my chat? So it's like I saw my trade. Me like assume say yo this are gonna be liquidity cause this are the first breakout cause we have a level right so this are the first breakout. Normally the first breakout usually be a fake out we close back into the range, aka liquidity. But even though I know that I still not sell from right so I wait till we close back into the range, below the range, and then I look for sales going down towards the range fill. So that's how I usually do it. Well, I'm here for it. I know, man, I say monster. When I read that God. Patience is key, no joke. Patience is key, bro. And one thing I'm gonna learn to chat is like, you see that trading, less is more. I swear, bro. It's like, you know, I think say a logical thing for do a trade more and you make more, but no, bro. You see, if you trade less, you make more. I mean, bro, I know I start understand that, bro. And I me do recently chat. If you look in my journal, I used to take multiple trades a day. Look, this I 19, I take 1, 2, 3 trades. And this I think I win it 3 of them. You see me? But whether you win it or you lose, that don't really matter. Even if I take trades and you win it, bro, it better. It's like it don't really matter, bro. You have to like follow your plan. You see me? And that's how I start though. I build my journal for only like 5 days. Sometimes I take like an extra trade. But I done with them 3 trade a day thing the chat. Like bro, if I take 1 trade and I win, I done for the day. And that's so I able to keep this win streak. I'm pretty sure if I did a trade every single day, multiple times a day, I would have take a loss already. I would have been take a L already. I feel like they never tell a lie, bro. When you do less, that's basically more. I really thought. So, remember when we used to just start stream, we used to take 2 trades per stream, bro. Lose 2 of them. But over time, we still recover from the L, you know. Over time, we still recover. But the point is, the need for you like go so hard, bro. can glass. Let me see. We close. Nice. So you know me I preach at a rebreak at the highs would be too bad. But we just print a low. I'm gonna see which part we top. 09. Hold on, chat. Let me see some. Not bad. Well, we have a look level right, so 08. If price could have top 08, that would be. That would be way better. Can we get a rebreak at the lows? Alright, that's enough. It's like chat, we fall down. This is what I talk about. We fall down and we tap 08. You see me can go print a low. So I wonder like if price will rebreak its highs, could definitely push up towards 19. You see me? That's like a 30 pip range going up. But this low, may I say, oh, this, if it did a little bit steeper, that would have been good. But this probably is enough. You see me? So I'm kind of unsure. The range, just see if that will happen. Now it's confirmed. This was indeed enough. You see me? So some do it. Give me like 2 seconds, strike me a fall. Well, I remember I'm telling you, we'll see if this can go. We'll see if this can go close. Close respecting. We still got 9 minutes left. And if we can rebreak the lows, then we'll put buy stop on the candle high chat. So if we fall down and we rebreak the lows, print a steeper low, we'll put buy stop on the candle high. Because if price will rebreak its highs, we got clean range going up. This is what that would be like 29. We could have got break even right as a chat at 41.17, and we could have closed full once price stop 41.19. You see me? But yeah, me a fall chat. Alright, well on, we'll rebreak the lows a while. We'll rebreak the lows chat. I tell my price rebreak the lows, look at time I gone. Hold on. Yes, indeed. Indeed. Wait, we'll rebreak the lows chat because it looked like this was a recent low on price. You know, I'll go ahead with my eye show me. We did rebreak the lows. So when I go do chat, I put buy stop on this candle high. You see me? Buy stop on this candle high chat at I tell you the exact level. Me have buy stop at Sila. Yeah. Buy stop at 41.14.97. Well, I'm gonna go for my phone. Place that. Buy stop 41.14.97. Alright, chat. So I got buy stop on the rebreak at the highs. You see me? Not activated as yet. Only got buy stop on the rebreak at the 15-minute candle highs. Yeah. Once we tap this level chat, this would have be a break even trade. Once we tap 41.17, would I look for go break even. Stop loss, can I put stop loss on the lows? Here's in my chat. So now we got activated chat. Yeah. 41.17 risk free. 19 if we can tap 41, 19.6.66 would have close full. So that would have be TP, this would have be break even. But that's a cool your fuck. But chat, hopefully you understand the idea behind this trade chat. You see me? On the rebreak of the highs, we got break risk free. Can we rebreak this 30-minute candle high chat? Hold on, let me see some. Alright chat, so that's now this is now a risk-free trade chat. Stop loss at break even. Stop loss at break even, and if we tap 19 levels, I'm gonna look for close full chat. But risk-free minimum 41.15.14. Alright chat. So I'm just put my stops at break even. Can we re-break the highs? That would have been decent. This hour. This is like 26 pips chat. I can easily just close full right now. But yeah, man, make a trade play out. Can we re-break the highs? Nice. We have like nice, man, close full right there chat. That is it. That is it. Double trade. Who understand the idea behind that though? That was quick, zero drawdown. That was just smooth, bro. Yo, who understand the idea behind the trade chat? I think we make like 40 pips off of that. No joke. Win streak continue, chat. Win streak continue. But yeah, remember I'm say one more for the book. No joke, bro. You witnessed that live. No joke. But yeah, let me journal that chat. So let me say. And as I'm say, the idea behind the trade are the most important thing, chat. Yeah, we make some money, we make 40 pips. But bro, if you don't understand why, like the idea behind the trade, you miss out on the most valuable thing. You get what I say? But yeah, child, this trade we take this off of the rebreak at the 5-minute candle highs at 9.50. The market bullish and zero drawdown. I'm gonna journal that. 9.50. That is it for the day in the chat. I'm done trade for the day, bro. As a bro say, less is more. No joke. This was an entry for the rebreak of the highs. Was this a breakout? No, it was a. Man, I forgot to add that, you know. I would have called this chat. This was a range fill. You see me? You can't call this a breakout. Cause look, we're not breaking out or nothing. So you range right so. So if me call this trade a breakout, that would have been cap. The breakout are right so. You see me chat? This breakout. So this is basically a range fill. But if you're looking at my journal, I don't really have that. So I have to go fix that. I go fix that. So I just put back into the range for now. But I fix that chat. Setup type, I go add range fill. That was off for the 5-minute candle. Another W. Let me measure how much you make off of that. Or exactly. This was a 45. I think I closed a bit early. Some would say about 42 pips. I'ma just put 42 there's a chat. I'ma make it green. People always ask me how I edit my journal. I tell them so I do it every day live per stream, bro. Just show up and you go see it. This is basically max drawdown chat. I calculate my max drawdown. We have 0 drawdown on that trade there. Pineapple are basically if me have no second entry. We never have no pineapple either, so I put 0. And what I said today bullish. So we up 74 pips for week, cause this is a weekly total, right? So we up 74 pips for this week. So I put 42 right, so seal and PC bug out. Hold on, bro. PC just got dark. Say chat. So now, yeah, put 42 right there. So now as I can see, 116 pips for a week, and today is Wednesday. So yeah, we are just trying to end off a week strong. You see me? And that the win streak continue. Chat. Think this is now was 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we're officially on a 16 win streak. The lose a trade in 3 weeks. But yeah, chat, I just continue to follow a plan, bro. I swear. As some again for go up a win streak, you know. I never like chase a win streak. You see, if I just follow my plan, I automatically go up on a win streak. Because my strategy is a high win rate strategy. So that's all me have to do for go up on a win streak. Just follow my plan and no FOMO into the trade. You see my chat. But yeah, that is it. I'ma read chat. Slap USD this morning. Easy for the rest of the day. No joke, bro. How much pips you make off a your USD? How much percentage you make? You have a fund. It's a funded account you trade though. A funded you trade? No joke. You know I never trade Euro USD yet. I know a lot of people trade it. From the day I start trade, I only gold I trade. I never try nothing else. Not even try. I don't know, bro. From the day I start trade, I just trade gold alone. Now the bits, bro. Alright. Yeah, chat. I got end stream anyways. You see me? That was a good trade. If you understand the idea behind the trade, you can just drop a like on the stream on your way out. You see me, chat? And yeah, we're there back tomorrow. Continue to follow the plan and see if we can end off a week strong. But yeah, chat, respect to everybody who followed out. That is it, chat. Me see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. That is it, bro.